Okay. This is Eunice with tape on her mouth. Okay. Hold on. Ready? Are you ready, Eunice?
Yes,
Don't scream. Don't scream because your mom's gonna hear it. So don't scream. Just be careful. Ready?
just hurry up!
Shut up.
I almost done.
I think it's for the better. It's for the best, Eunice. How you feeling? Ew! Ew, how you feeling?
Bad.
What just happened?
You hit me with stupid tape.
That was funny, and I was tickling your fat. Hey, Eunice.
What?
You're really funny. You can watch it.